Every one of the obstacles and inventive erraticisms encompassing digital currencies were settled when Charles Hoskinson begat Cardano. Cardano network battles all snags concerning versatility, interoperability, and administration. Allow us to examine a portion of its one-of-a-kind elements. One upheld by a devoted group of experts working really hard to guarantee the component of Cardano is tailor-made to suit financial backer requirements. 2. An all-day, everyday non-stop talk and email support guarantee financial backers generally partake in the imperative hand-holding while at the same time doing any exchanges. 3. Setting higher client benchmarks. This digital money market expects to produce substantial profit for every one of its financial backers. 4. Being an open-source code program. The usefulness of Cardano works on completely clear straightforwardness as well as exchange classification in the organization. It will give unrivaled security to dApps and social orders. 5. The zero exposure proof places the power in the possession of a definitive client, working with the whole exchange technique's numerical consistency. 6. The instrument of the Cardano blockchain is conceptualized to the point that it guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. 7. Cardano can trap fake or misleading exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the first block. 8. ADA proprietors can procure prizes by offering their stake to a stake pool run by others, or they can run their own stake pool. The people group at the Cardano project means to convey financial increases to the clients by the organization. It bears the benefit of teaching and alarming them on all the bare essential of the crypto world. The establishment committed to Cardano establishment's undertaking has support from Information Result Hong Kong and Emergo. Taking on the total sanction of liability towards financial backer social reason, Emergo upholds business reception, and IOHK cares for the surface. Together, they edit the creative peculiarity woven into Cardano innovation, composing formal techniques particulars. The entire portfolio is carefully explored and inspected by experts before a public delivery. Cardano People Group is exceptionally forceful in spreading mass consciousness of the advanced resource ADA upheld by training on blockchain and DeFi areas with representatives, supporters, and industry specialists. Leaving a worldwide impression upheld by articulate methodologies makes Cardano stand apart from its companions and essentially influences different industry sections. Cardano's local token, ADA, has an immense market cap of $14,302,885,258. The development in ADA is essentially because of the lift in its utilization cases. As of late, the Cardano network has reported one more move up to make the exchange smooth and simple. 2022 has not been ideal for most digital currencies, including the crypto lord, Bitcoin. Monstrous unpredictability was found on the lookout, alongside financial backers unloading their tokens and tracking down other more secure venture choices. Be that as it may, after the desolate 2022, the year 2023 has been very certain for the crypto market. ADA has endeavored a recuperation showing a seriously bullish example helped areas of strength for buy regardless of the unfriendly market patterns from January 2023, in view of the specialized examination. Holding the ADA token is by all accounts a smart thought as long as possible. As per our ADA coin cost expectation for the following couple of years, the token is assessed to have forward movement. Likewise, taking into account the digital currency market's unpredictability, the Cardano cost can either contact the sky or hit a hard base from here on out. USD could keep on confronting recuperation. According to our Cardano expectations, the money will record a high of 88 cents toward the finish of 2023. Cardano value expectation 2023 as per our ADA figures. The coin might exchange a scope of 36 cents to 88 cents for the year 2023, where the base cost is 36 cents and the most extreme cost is 88 cents. Simultaneously, the typical ADA and incentive for the year might be around 62 cents. ADA value expectation 2024. The base and most extreme costs for the year 2024 for the ADA token are supposed to be around 76 cents and $1.10. Simultaneously, the typical cost, according to our Cardano cost estimate, is supposed to be around 93 cents. Cardano value expectation 2025 to 2025 is the year when at last the coin might cross its $1.40 mark again with a greatest exchanging worth of $1.43, while the base future cost is supposed to be 99 cents. Simultaneously, the typical ADA cost may be $1.21. Cardano expectation 2026. The ADA cost could change somewhere in the range of $1.26 and $1.82 in 2026, where the previous is the most minimal cost and the last option is the greatest cost for the year, according to our Cardano cost expectations. The typical worth expected for the year is $1.54. ADA expectation 2027 as indicated by our ADA cost expectation. The base, normal, and greatest costs for the year are supposed to be $1.64, $2, and $2.36 individually. Cardano has been one of the most dynamic crypto resources, and in the event that you purchase Cardano at its ongoing worth, merchants can procure extraordinary benefits. ADA coin value expectation 2028 in view of past execution and our Cardano estimate for 2028. The base and most extreme costs are supposed to be around $2.07 and $2.99, while the typical ADA cost might be $2.53 for the year 2028. Cardano forecasts 2029 according to our ADA cost expectation. The base and greatest costs might be around $2.65 and $3.81 in 2029. Simultaneously, the typical worth is estimated to be $3.23. The cost change for the year, according to our ADA gauges, is supposed to be over half. Cardano value expectation 2030 when it is 2030. Our ADA cost forecast 2030 predicts that the coin might exchange a scope of $3.43 and $4.94. Simultaneously, our Cardano value expectation 2030 recommends that the typical worth might be $4.18 all year long. In the wake of raising a ruckus around town the ADA coin will progress forward the upturn. The base cost may be around $1.21 according to their ADA cost forecast 2025. In light of our Cardano forecast, it is a terrible long-haul speculation. Your ongoing venture might be degraded in the future as it is a high-risk resource, according to the ADA estimate. In light of future ADA cost expectations, digital money will show a rising propensity. The future cost of a USD is anticipated to be $7.35 throughout the following 5 years. Cardano, or so far as that is concerned, some other cryptographic money can be impacted by different elements. The ADA cost is fundamentally impacted by the merchant's feelings and whales temporarily. Assuming purchasers show an interest in the token, the cost will be enormously impacted emphatically. Indeed, even whales can control the coin's cost. On the off chance that an enormous amount of ADA tokens is held, the interest for the coin will expand because of the scaled-down supply, in this way expanding the cost of the token as well as the other way around. While in the long haul, the cost essentially influences mechanical progressions in major examination. The more the organization propels, the more it will catch financial backers' eye. The Vassal hard fork redesign made a ton of changes as far as versatility, exchange charges, exchange speed, and the cost of the ADA token. To know the genuine development of any altcoin, it becomes crucial to differentiate crypto expectations for the exhibition and key investigation of digital currencies to that of an altcoin. Cardano is in the 7th position, with a market capitalization of $14,263,136,295 and a brilliant future to climb in the position.